Hi guys, today we are making Ayemasa sauce, popularly called the Ofada sauce in the western part of Nigeria. This sauce is made with different kinds of pepper. We have the green pepper, we have the rodo, we have the pelebe. So without talking too much, let's just get down to business. First and first, allow your oil to fry until it turns burnt brown, and you are going to fry your beefs, your assorted, and some pomon. You can also choose to use eggs if you want for this sauce, but I pass. So after frying beefs, you are going to take them out, and yes, after putting in the amount of oil I want, I'm going to put lots of onion, as much as I want, and we are going to allow the onion to fry for some time. Next, I'm going to put in my locust beans, popularly known as Iru in the western part, and I'm just going to stir this for some time. And next, I'm going to put in the mint sauce, which is pepper and a little bit of tomato to taste. We are just going to put this in and let them fry for some time. Now I'm going to add in fried meats, pomo, and salted. Like I said, if you have eggs, you can also add eggs at this point now. So we are going to let this to sit in fire for about 25 minutes. Allow the sauce to almost get ready before adding your seasoning. I'm adding 2 cubes of Maggi. I'm going to add in my crayfish and my salt to taste. Now we are still going to let this to sit in fire for about 10 minutes after adding in seasoning. Allow the sauce to get dried until it turns this beautiful perfect color, and now our sauce is ready. This is me serving Ofada rice, as you can see, looking yummy already. And I'm just going to add the sauce by the corner, because this is how the western part of Nigeria serve this delicacy in a beautiful leaf. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I love you guys. Don't forget to follow me and like this video to encourage me to post new videos. Bye.